This is the idea of what an AI platform is needed for full business process automation. So one was this aspect of governance, which comes up so often, almost every conversation. I just met with one of the very largest companies in all of Europe. And the first thing they said is, do you have a platform for governance? Because we've been building one-off agents and RAG and knowledge bases. We now want to do serious process automation, and I won't move forward until I have that. So how do I register agents, but not just agents from us, agents from anybody? How do I then have these powerful tools with built-in trusted data that's making sure automatically things like prompt injection doesn't occur? How do I warrant against that? We do that automatically, for instance. How do I also have no walled gardens? I talk about agents from any vendor, but how can I also switch vendors? If I want to go from one model today and I'm like, that's great, I was on Anthropic, I was on Claude 3.7, but now I want to move over, and actually it turns out OpenAI has one. I don't want to recode everything. I just want to drag and drop and switch vendors. Or I go, wow, now there's this amazing model. This is an industry line of business specific model, much less costly per run, much faster, better user experience. And that's now good enough. I want to drop that in and reduce my compute cost as well by doing that. Can I just do that and not lose any of the history? It's just a new version of the same agent, and all the data, the collection, and the governance is still maintained. That's what I want to do. I don't want any walled gardens. I want to be able to innovate as fast as I can and not be held to a single vendor. And ultimately, although no code when required, of course you can code these yourself and import them, but then how can I also have a no code system? That's what we saw as the critical need to meet all these challenges of the moment. So, and this is why I get back to it. First, this might sound a little crazy. Why would I need a common platform? Integrations and automations are based on APIs, both from whether you're using Boomi, you're using Kong, whether I'm using Apogee, but I want them in a common control plane and I want to access them. I want to do so they can feed my agents to create that fuel that creates the potential energy. I also have the same thing on data management, because I also have data quality problems, but I can use agents to fix my data quality problems in line to both analyze my data, to then look at how to rectify it, to clean it using real-time online information and other contextual, and make the reasoning decisions that a steward would automatically to have clean data that makes me then have trustworthy AI.